Hey, Shopcat, want to show them where these mounts are? So I got quite a few questions on changing the passenger side mount on this 2010 Prius about where the other mounts are. And of course, there's the passenger side mount that I was changing. Here's the old one, the part number, and the front engine mount, also the transmission mount, is right in the middle of the two of them. It's down there under the air box. I'm going to pull the air box out and show you. This is the old one because I've already replaced it and made the video on that. Next, I'm going to be replacing this mount, which is the passenger side mount, and it is buried underneath the inverter and the inverter cooler reservoir, which I'm going to take that out and show you where this is at because I'm going to be changing this today anyway. And last and hardest to get to is the rear mount that is for the engine and the transmission. It's buried way down there, and I'll jack the car up and give you a view from the bottom. Here's a good look at the new one and its part number. And these are the aftermarket part numbers. They are from Malaysia. They're not the Japanese made OEM equipment, which cost a lot more and may be worth a lot more. Isn't that right, Shopcat? Because if we had the Japanese ones, they might last longer. We're going to find out, though, aren't we? You coming to help with the mounts? Are you? Yeah? Awesome. You can get the ones on the bottom. Now, right before we go below, remember the front one looks like this. The rear one looks like that. And with the panel off of the bottom, you can really see in here, and you can see the front one right there. It's got this through bolt that you access from the other side. It was, I think, 19 millimeter. And then two bolts under here. One there. See the head right there? And the other one is obscured by my wooden block I use here for jacking. And then there is the rear mount. And there's two of the bolts there. There's another bolt there. And there are actually nuts. Two nuts. And then the through bolt right there, which again is accessible from the driver's side. I say accessible. I don't think accessible is the correct word for that. When you go to access the front mount, the bolt there from the driver's side, this is what you see. If you try to see that same bolt on the rear mount, yeah. So, yeah, accessible is not really the right word to describe that bolt, but it's there somewhere. So now I'm going to make the video changing those mounts, and I will put the link to those videos in the corner. I'll probably put them in a separate playlist and just put that one link in the corner. Insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos.